Hey traders from around the world, welcome to July. And as you likely know, every single month real life trading has a new theme that celebrates the life portion of the company. So July is sports month. Every single month we like to present new challenges, goals, and objectives for traders to do from all around the world to simply enrich lives. So here is the goal and some objectives for July, which is sports month. The broad overall encompassing objective is to do a sport or play a sport that you've never played before. So to be more specific, here are some exact goals I would like you to accomplish this month. Goal number one, if you've never been rock climbing before, I want you to go rock climbing, specifically indoor rock climbing, as it's much more safe and cost effective. Number two, I want you to play lacrosse. If you've never played lacrosse before, give it a try, give it a shot. I've never done it personally, so that's gonna be the one that I'm gonna be doing this month, is I'm gonna play lacrosse with my good buddy Brian Masterson. They have a rec league every single Wednesday night here in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm gonna give that a shot. Number three, if you are more physically uninclined to be able to do a sport like rock climbing or lacrosse, the objective will be, I want you to play a board game with your family that you have never played before. Some type of game as a family unit. You can get together either with your kids, your grandkids, nieces, nephews. Just get that family unit around and play a board game that you've never played before, something brand new. One other challenge, May was Health and Wellness Month and June was Conservation Month. And in both of those months we did, or I kind of talked about like a physical challenge that I was gonna do as well. And much to my surprise, traders just absolutely loved the physical challenge. So for July, here's what I'm going to do, and I will be filming this event as well. I'm going to attempt to do 500 burpee push-ups in one day. Now that's not one consecutive sitting, that's gonna be one day. So I'm gonna spread it out, try to do 100 sessions. That's gonna be something I've never done before. That's gonna be a challenge that we're gonna have to work up to. So I'll try to do 50 in a day, 75 in a day, 125 in a day, 150 in a day. But I won't record all those, but I will send you a video this month of me doing 500 burpee push-ups in one day. Super pumped. Anyway, that is the challenge for July Sports Month. Take me up on it. Let's enrich lives together. You are amazing, and until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. I'll see you later. Bye.